My name is Urmila Nivangunai. Today's date is 12th of January 2022 and today's topic is multithreading in Java. So before starting multithreading, we'll see what is multitasking because multithreading is a subpart or type of multitasking. The thread-based multitasking is known as multithreading and the process-based multitasking is known as multiprocessing. We prefer multi-threading over multiprocessing because multiprocessing have some drawbacks and that drawbacks are overcome in the multi-threading. So let's come to our topic, that is multi-threading. First we will see what is thread. Thread is a lightweight process, or we can say it is the smallest unit, and each thread have its specific task. In the OS, there are multiple processes and each process have multiple threads. We can run multiple threads at the same time, and that is known as multi-threading. Because of multi-threading, we can save our timing, we can save our space, as well as it is lightweight. So these are some advantages of thread. So in multi-threading, there are multiple threads and each thread have its own task, and that thread shares one specific memory. So because of this feature of memory sharing between threads, it is efficient for Java to saves memory as specific memory gets shared between multiple threads, and also there is communication between multiple threads, and that communication is very low as comparing to multiprocessing that takes very less timing as well as less efforts. Also in multithreading, as multiple threads are independent in nature, if any exception occurs in a single thread, the another thread does not get affected because every thread is independent in nature. So there is a thread class in Java, and that thread class extends object class. As we know, object class is parent of every class in Java, or we can say every predefined class in Java. Thread also is child class of the object class, and also thread class implements runnable interface. So when we create thread class, that thread class have a constructor and as well as it have methods, um, that methods performs some task. uh, there are too many methods. I'll explain one by one few of them. First one is start method. Start method is used to start the execution of thread. Then second one is sleep method. Sleep method have one parameter, and that is integer type of parameter, and we can give timing in milliseconds as a parameter of sleep method. Sleep method is used to stop the uh, thread for some milliseconds, or we can say it stops the execution for few time. Then next one is run method. Run method is used to do some action in threading. Then current thread is a method, and it is used to uh, perform execution of current thread, or it is used to give reference of current thread which is executing. Then join method is also important method, and it stops the mm, sources of for executing thread for some time. Then get priority method is used to uh, get or to know the priority of any thread. Then set priority is used to change the priority of any thread. Then get id and set id. Get id method is used to get the id of current thread or thread in execution. Set id method is also used to change the priority of any thread. Then stop method is used to stop the execution of currently executing thread. Destroy method is used to destroy the current thread. And there are many methods in thread class. Thank you.